again, my name is Humphrey Chris Kikuyakare. I come from Uganda. And if I'm to be factual here, I would say Uganda is the most polluted East African country. It's only in Uganda where you would see caveras flying from north to south, east to west. I didn't see that in Nairobi when I came, and neither did I come across them in Tanzania. I want to start from what the Honorable Sam Baluku said. The Honorable Speaker said we do not have strict laws. That's a total lie. Colleague members of Parliament, in Uganda we have the Ministry of Water and Environment that has been mandated to protect our environment, that has been mandated to sustain our environment. They went ahead and gave it the responsibility, furthermore, to the National Environmental Management Authority, NEMA, that has been mandated to sustain the environment of Uganda. By the way, they also have the Uganda Environmental Police that has been mandated to enforce the laws that would protect our environment. But still, we are the most polluted East African country. Why then? My brother from my right said, it's only the rich people who are investing in the swamps in Uganda. We have NEMA that has been mandated to protect the environment. Who are the people giving the licenses to the investors to operate in our swamps? Poor governance. We know what we are supposed to do, but we are deliberately refusing to do them. That is my country where I come from, unfortunately, the Pearl of Africa. When the Pearl of Africa is polluted, Africa is polluted. If I were to run for presidency in Uganda, and I would want to sustain the environment, I would make